Question number 6. Oranges are bought. Oranges are bought at 5 for rupee 10. Means 5 oranges in rupee 10. So cost price of one orange equal to 10 by 5. So 2 rupee is the cost of one orange. Then sold at 6 for 15 means 6 oranges sold at rupee 15. So the selling price of one orange equals to 15 by 6. So 3 5 ja 3 2 ja, 5 by 2 means 2.5. So cost price is rupee 2 while selling price is rupee 2.5. Clear? So selling price is greater than cost price, so this is the case of profit. Now find the profit percent, profit upon CP into 100. Okay, so profit upon CP into 100. So how much profit you are getting, just calculate, and CP you know very well, into 100 you will get required answer. Then question number 7 is same, so I am just solving this question number 6, then 7 you can solve. So as I told you, profit percent equals to profit upon CP into 100. So as you can see, cost price of one orange is rupee 2 and the selling price of one orange is rupee 2.5. So profit percent we have to find on one orange. So profit percent equals to what? Profit upon CP into 100. Now how to calculate profit? So profit equals to what? SP of one orange minus CP of one orange. So SP of one orange 2.50, CP of one orange 2.0. So from there we are getting 0.50 rupee profit on one orange. So profit is 0.50 divided by CP of one orange rupee 2 into 100. So just multiply this, 0.50 multiplied by 100 equals to 50, because two zeros are there, and on multiplication this decimal will jump 2 places upon 2. 2 1 ja 225 ja. So profit equals to how much? 25%. So this is your required answer. Question number 7, you can solve, the same question is there. Then question number 8. In question number 8, a vendor bought 120 seeds at 20 paise each. So vendor bought 120 sweets at at 20 paise each. So the total cost price of 120 sweets equals to 120 sweets into 20 paise. So this is in given paise, so we have to convert in rupee. So for that we will divide by 100. So this 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. So 12 into 2 rupee 24. So total cost price of 120 sweets is rupee 24. Okay. So now 18 were consumed. 18 were consumed and he sold remaining at 30 paise each. So number of sweets left after consuming. So total number of sweets 120, then 18 consumed, that means 102 sweets are remaining. Okay, now 102 sweets he sold at 30 paise each. He sold the remaining sweets at 30 paise each. So 30 पैसे में एक स्वीट को उसने सोल्ड किया. So the total selling price 102 sweets are there into 30 paise. So we will convert this 30 paise in rupee, so we will divide by 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 102 into 3, 306 divide by 10. So from there we will get 30.6. So total selling price is 30.6, and as you can see, total cost price is 24. Total cost price is 24 and selling price is 30.6. So again, SP is greater than CP, so this is the case of profit. And as you know, profit equals to what? SP minus CP. So your SP is 30.6 minus CP is 24. So from there we will get rupee 6.6. Now find the profit percent. So profit percent equals to what? Profit upon CP into 100. So our profit is rupee 6.6. Rupee 6.6. Cost price is 24 into 100. So this 6.6 we will multiply with 100. So 2 zeros will make 2 jumps. So 660 divided by 24. Okay. So now 6 4 ja 24, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 0 ja 0. Then 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10. Okay, so 55/2% profit. Question number 9 and 10 both are same. I am solving here question number 10. In question number 10, the selling price of an article is rupee 1200. Selling price of an article equals to rupee 1200, and the cost price of that article, cost price of that article is 5/4 times of selling price. So 5/4 into selling price means cost price जो आर्टिकल का है वो बोल रहा है 5/4 टाइम्स है सेलिंग प्राइस का. सो 5/4 टाइम्स मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सेलिंग प्राइस है 1200. 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12 फॉलोड बाय 2 0. So 5 into 3 rupee 1500. So as you can see, cost price is rupee 1500 and the selling price is rupee 1200. So clearly cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is greater than selling price. So the first question, cost price of an article rupee 1500. So this is your question number first. Then the second question is profit or loss percent. Simply CP is greater than SP. So this is the case of loss. You have to write cost price is greater than selling price. So this is the case of loss. And as you know, loss percent equals to what? Loss upon CP into 100. So now calculate the loss. So first loss equals to CP minus SP. CP minus SP. So CP is 1500 minus SP is 1200. So from there we are getting rupee 300 loss. So loss is rupee 300, CP is 1200 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Then 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 6 remaining 0 will become 60, 12 5 ja 60. So 25% is loss. Okay, so exercise 9A you can solve.